You know, you should think of my work as wordless sound poems. That's what I'm. Oh my God, play. Well, what he had with that was terrific. Really bitchin'. Wow, it was so wow. Really? I mean, really? Yeah, I mean, you should play in public. Oh, thanks, you guys. That's. Oh, I want to play you another piece. Um, oh, I left my helicopter sounds on another disc. I'll be right back. Okay? You know, there's a Starbucks about 3 blocks down. So inspired. Look at him. Look at him go. Hey, aren't you up next? Oh no, I'm not playing tonight. Why not? I can't follow Ross. I mean, that would be like those poor bicycle riding chimps who had to follow the Beatles. Who? Oh my God. He's lost it. He's totally lost it. What? Phoebe, there's music that cannot get any worse. There are rats in the basement that are hanging themselves. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, I lost it. You know, I'm not going to play anymore. Can you finish my set? If you're that, yeah. Yeah, I mean, if I can help. Yeah, like I could lose it. What? I played bad on purpose, guys. Okay, so you were trying to play bad this whole time. Yeah, no, just that last song.